Hey everybody, welcome back to Matt's Menagerie. So we got something a little different for you today. I know mostly you've been seeing a lot of the sports card stuff, but I do have a lot of other collectibles. I know I've showed a little bit of the currency that I've been listing, but I used to be a pretty big Hot Wheels collector, diecast, and all sorts of other random stuff. So as I'm going through things and finding more items to list in the eBay store, I'm going to try to bring you guys a little bit of a sneak peek, more or less, of what's to come with the listings. So I'm going to give you a little view on what you can expect to see here, probably later on this month. So like I said, I used to collect a bunch of Hot Wheels and diecast and stuff. So plus a lot of other random items over the years. So start here. We got a Hot Wheels 5-pack Racing World. Well, nothing, not always anything too crazy, but we got another one of these 5-packs here. This is the Race Team 3 gift pack. Take a look at these. Are both from, it's like 1997 on these. Set those aside. Other little random things. Got a little random Beanie Baby. I don't know if anybody's still looking for these things. There are a few in the store at the moment. We got Slowpoke on that one. Got a couple of probably more vintage bumper stickers. A couple baseball teams here at Seattle Mariners. As far as I remember, I want to say these are probably from late 80s, early 90s. So Mariners on that one, and Orioles on that one. Do not have a date on them. So we got a McDonald's Hot Wheels. This is a Lotus Elite. It's a nice lime green there. We have 1967 Camaro. Hot Wheels, see if we can see a 2017. Looks like it's on that one. We have a Racing Champions Mint Motor Trend 1948 Ford F1 pickup, one of 4,998 made. They're a little, use a little dusting. Like that one is, find the year 1998 on that one. So yeah, back in the 90s, late 90s, early 2000, I was pretty much collecting anything and everything I could, anything I thought was kind of cool. It's always it's like Camaros. So there's a 69 Camaro, one of 19,998. It's orange with white stripe, black top on that. Another one of them Racing Champion Mint Motor Trend magazine ones. That one also from 1998. Setting these aside as I get to them. We have another gift pack. Looks like this one, the glues kind of came off on it after all these years. Got Crazy Classics 2. A few different random models, like you got the Oscar Mayer Wiener, little train, little radio flyer there. One more of these 5-packs. Got a 50s Cruisers. Some nice classics on that one. Let's see, it looks like that one was 98, and Crazy Classics 2 was 97. So, yeah, I was collecting pretty much anything and everything. I was a teenager at that time, so, you know, whatever you think is cool as a teenager kind of takes over. Oh, hopefully can pass on some of the stuff to somebody who will enjoy it, collect it. So we have a Johnny Lightning Classic Gold Collection 1963 Chevy Impala. Looks like those were a limited edition of 20,000 on those. Let's see, it's like 1998 on that one as well. And this one was pretty cool. So this is a 2003, 2002 Hot Wheels Treasure Hunt 1968 Cougar. It's kind of got this nice clamshell little case here, so it makes it a little more difficult to see. But that is it's the Treasure Hunt. So it looks like it says 2002 on there, but 2003 on the front there. Little small for me to see. So at one other point, I was collecting a lot of NASCAR stuff, majority of which being Dale Earnhardt. I don't think any of that stuff I'm probably going to get rid of. I'm going to probably keep majority of that stuff. But I also collected some McDonald's items, including McDonald's NASCAR. So I have some Racing Champion McDonald's stuff here. These are from the NASCAR 50th anniversary, so that would have been, 98 on those as well. Doesn't give too much detail on what the models are. You have to pick up a couple of nice little classic vehicles here. These ones have like the night sky kind of paint scheme. The Mac Tonight character that they were using back when. Another little pickup on that one. Little roadster there. I just thought these were kind of cool. And then we got more of the classic McDonald's red. Of course, back then, what we had was like a nice Mustang on that one. You had Bill Elliott driving the McDonald's car back then, or his son. One of his sons is actually racing nowadays. I don't keep up on NASCAR too much these days. So roadster on that one. Another nice old pickup on that one. Another nice classic there. So we got the blue kind of Starry Night, Night themed 4, and then the classic red with yellow numbering McDonald die cast on those. So it's kind of about all I have for you at the moment. I got obviously a lot of other stuff to go through and never know what I'm going to find. I'm going to try to be working on some more of this more random stuff, unload to get some space cleared up so we can get this stuff gone and focus more back on cards for the most part. But I mean, whatever I find, I find, and hopefully I can put it in the hands of somebody who will enjoy it like I used to. But never know what I'm gonna find here. So okay, back to some more listing. Probably grab myself something to eat for dinner here. So we'll keep you going. Keep some more videos coming up with some random stuff. And everybody have yourself a great night.